formula unit. The simplest combination of ions that produce an electrically neutral unit is called a formula unit of the ionic compound. Formula unit means simplest combination of ions that produces electrically neutral unit is called a formula unit of ionic compound. In case of NaCl means sodium chloride. According to the structure of NaCl, here Na plus ion, then Cl minus ion, then Na plus ion, Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, and this is the arrangement of NaCl and Cl minus in sodium chloride. Now we can say that Na plus and Cl minus is the smallest unit which is neutral. Na plus sodium has 1 unit of positive charge and Cl minus chloride has only 1 unit of negative charge, and the overall charge on Na plus and Cl minus will be 0. It means this is the smallest unit which has 0 charge, means neutral unit, and this is a neutral unit. Means in overall structure of NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus, this is the smallest unit which represent the formula unit of sodium chloride. Now, and we can also say that its formula unit shows only ratio of ions. That means Na plus and Cl minus shows that the ratio of sodium ions and chloride ions in NaCl is 1:1. Now we can take the another example of calcium nitrate. The formula unit of calcium nitrate is CaNO3 whole twice. Means, as we know, the charge on calcium ion is 2 plus and the charge on nitrate ion is NO3 minus. Ca2 plus can't be neutralized by 1 NO3 minus because Ca has 2 positive charge and nitrate has 1 negative charge. For neutralization of +2 charge, we should have 2 negative charges. So we use 2 nitrate ions, and here total negative charge on nitrate ion will be -2 and on calcium ion is +2. So we can say that this will be the smallest unit for NaCl which is neutral. So we can write it 1 Ca and 2 nitrate, CaNO3 whole twice. It means this represents the formula unit of calcium nitrate because it is the smallest neutral unit of calcium nitrate which is neutral. And now we can say that by this formula the ratio of calcium and nitrate ion is 1:2. It means this is also show that calcium nitrate has calcium 2 plus ion and nitrate ions in 1:2. So the conclusion is that formula unit shows the smallest electrically neutral unit of ionic compound, or the ratio of positive and negative ion, that is cation and anion in ionic compounds. Now we will discuss about the formation of NaCl. Firstly, we take one molecule of sodium. Sodium has electronic configuration 281. For completion of octet, sodium donate one electron and convert into Na plus ion. Chloride ion has 287 electronic configuration and it has 7 electron in its outermost shell, and it requires only 1 electron for completion of octet. So it gains 1 electron from sodium and convert into Cl minus ion, and the electronic configuration of sodium will be 28 in Na plus ion, and for Cl minus ion this will be 288, because here 7 electron present in outermost shell but 1 electron gained by chlorine and convert into chloride ion, and chloride ion has 8 electrons. In case of Na, outermost shell has 1 electron and it donates 1 electron by which it converts into Na plus ion, and the outermost shell has 8 electrons. So we can say that Na plus is stable and Cl minus is also stable according to octet rule, but according to charge they are not stable and they attract to each other, and Na plus attracts Cl minus and convert into NaCl, that is sodium chloride. As we know, it's not single ions attract single ions. This will be that Na plus attracts Cl minus. It means not only one side. Na plus attracts Cl minus here, now also here, and also from here, and also from here. So we can say that the Na plus ions will be surrounded by Cl minus, and every Cl minus will be surrounded by Na plus, because this Cl minus attract Na plus, and this is also attract Na plus, and here this is also Na plus, and just like this Cl minus will attract Na plus here, Na plus here, and also Na plus here, and Na plus here, and this Cl minus attract Na plus here, and Na plus here, and Na plus here, and this Cl minus attract just like this, and we can say that that will be converted into crystal lattice, and according to crystal lattice there are alternate order of cation and anion, and the distance between opposite ion, that means Na plus and Cl minus, Na plus and Cl minus is less than distance between same ions, that is Na plus and Cl minus Cl minus. Now we can say that the attraction force between Na plus and Cl minus is greater than repulsion force between Na plus and Cl minus and Cl minus. Now we will be discuss about the chemical formula. Firstly, we will discuss about the formula of element. The chemical formula of an element is a representation of the composition of its molecule, in which symbol represents the element and subscript represents how many atoms are present in one molecule. We can write the formula of any atom as AN. Here A represents symbol of element, and N represents number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. Just example, For hydrogen, we represent chemical formula or molecular formula by S2. It means one molecule of hydrogen contain two atoms. For ozone, we can write molecular formula O3 because the one molecule of ozone contains three atoms of oxygen. But for oxygen gas, we used O2. It means one molecule of oxygen contains two atoms of oxygen. For phosphorus, we used generally P4 representation because phosphorus, one molecule of phosphorus contains four atoms of phosphorus. Here P represent phosphorus and subscript 4 represent four atoms of phosphorus. Here O represent element oxygen and 2 represents two atoms of oxygen. So we can say that this one represent symbol of element and the subscript represent number of atoms in one molecule of element. Now we will discuss about the formula of compounds. Now we will discuss about the formula of covalent compounds and formula of ionic compounds. Now we will discuss about the molecular formula of covalent compounds. In the chemical formula of compound, the element present are denoted by their symbols. The number of atoms of each element are denoted by writing their number at subscript to the symbols of respective elements. Means we represent molecular formula of any compound by AX, BY and so on. It represents that molecule of compound contains X atoms of A and Y atoms of B element. Now we can take some example. As we know, one molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So we can write the molecular formula of covalent compound, that is S2 by H2O. Here the molecular formula of water represented by S2O. Here H represent element hydrogen and O represent element oxygen. It means one molecule of water contains atoms of hydrogen and oxygen. Here 2 represent that one molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen, and here no subscript present here, so we can say that here one atom of oxygen present in one molecule of water.